Hi everyone, welcome you all. So exam is on the way. So this video definitely helpful to reach you and that. Dear students, in this video also come with some more important one mark questions. Let's know about the important questions we discuss here. So the first question is, what is meant by land use pattern? The land use pattern means utilization the land for a variety of purpose like cultivation, forestry and pastures is known as land utilization. Next one, what are the beverage crops? The example, the crops which are used to produce the stimulating drinks are called beverage crops. So examples are tea and coffee. Next question, which is the India's first petroleum well? That is Digbai of Assam state. Next question, which is the India's most important ferroalloy metals? That is manganese. Next one, what is mining? Mining means is the process of extracting minerals from the earth. It's called mining. Next question, what is minerals? Minerals is a natural inorganic substance that possesses a definite chemical composition and physical properties. This is minerals. Go to next question. That is, which is the main raw material used in the manufacture of aluminium? As you know that there is bauxite ore. Next one, which is the important non-metal mineral of India? That is mica. Which energy resource is known as the substance of plant origin? The energy resource is coal from plant origin. In which state is the Shivanasamudra hydroelectric power station is located? All you know that it is in Karnataka, Mandya district. Next one, which country has the largest deposit of mica in the world? So that is also India. Next one, recently mica export has declined in India. Why? So because the synthetic mica is being produced in many countries, so export mica reduces. Next one, how does coal form? The vegetative material matter which was buried in the past age has changed into coal due to high temperature and pressure. Next question, we know that which geological period coal found in India? So that is in Gondwana and Tertiary age. Next one, which is hydrocarbon mineral oil? That is petroleum is the hydrocarbon mineral oil. Next one, where petroleum did discover first in India? That is Makum in Assam. Next one, where did highest petroleum reserve found in India? So yeah, you all know that is Bombay High near Mumbai. Next one, where was the first hydroelectric power generation started in India? So there is Shivanasamudra hydroelectric power plant in Kaveri River started in 1902. Next one, where the first nuclear power plant was started? That is Tarapura, Maharashtra. Next one, which port is called the gateway of India? So you know very well that is Mumbai. Next one, what is the name given to Bangalore International Airport? That is Kempegowda International Airport. Next question, we know that under which scheme attempts are being made to convert mud roads into metal road in rural area. The scheme is Grama Sadak Yojana. Next one, which is the new mode of land transportation? That is pipeline transportation. Next one, recently the role of inland waterways was reduced. Why? Because due to the development of roads and railways. Next one, which port is known as the gateway of Karnataka? So you all know that is New Mangalore port. Next, which port is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea? That is Kochi port. Next one, which is the oldest and still existing newspaper in India? That is Bombay Samachar. So it was published in 1822. Next one, the first railway line was laid between which city of India? So you know that there is Bombay and Thane. Next one, what is meant by transport? Transport means movement of goods, service and passenger from one place to another place. Next one, what is communication? Communication is sending of message from one person to another person or from one place to another place. Go to next one. In which state is the Jindal Vijayanagara steel plant located? So that is in Karnataka, Ballari district. Next one, which is the main raw material of aluminium industry? So as you know that is bauxite ore. Next one, name forest based industry, that is paper industry. Next one, where is the first modern paper mill was set up? That is in Serampur at West Bengal. Next one, which is known as Manchester of India or Katanapolis of India. So you know that is Mumbai. Next one, name the Silicon Valley of India. That is Bengaluru. Next one, why do the construction companies provide more demand for aluminium? So because aluminium has the multi-purpose use used as a substitute for steel and copper in constructions. Next one, what is meant by manufacturing industries? It means the process of conversion of raw materials into usable products. That is manufacturing industry. Go to next one, that is which is the most destructive atmospheric disaster? That is cyclone. Next one, which Indian coast is the most cyclone affected area? So that is eastern coast. Next one, in which geographical area the earthquakes are rarely found in India? That is peninsular zone. Next one, what is tsunami? So the tsunami is a large wave generated by earthquake in oceans. Next one, what are natural disasters? The natural hazards which created widespread destructions are called natural disasters. Next, what are floods? Floods refer to the inundation of land by river water or the overflow of water. Next one, what is cyclone? Cyclone means the wind blows spirally inwards towards the center of low pressure area. Next one, which states are worst hit by cyclone? So the states are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. So you know that now the Amphan, the cyclone that hit these eastern coast. Next one, the coastal erosion is more in the west coast than east coast. Why? Because the high tide during rainy season and high waves base the coast and leads to erosion. Because the west coast are highly damaged than east coast. So next, we know that what is the total population of India according to 2011 census? That is 121.1 crore. And how much percentage got India in the world population? You know that is 17.5%. And which state is the most populous state? That is Uttar Pradesh. Next one, which state is the least population state? That is Sikkim state. Next one, which is the lowest populated area in Union Territory? That is Lakshadweep. Next one, which is the lowest density of population state in India? That is Arunachal Pradesh. Next one, how is population density measured? So the total population is divided by its area. Next one, what do you mean by population? So the total number of people living in a particular area is called population. Next one, what do you mean by population density? That is the number of people per square kilometer is called density of population. So dear students, in this video definitely helpful to reach you in more score. Thank you very much and wait to watch my next video I come with very soon.